Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Make It Diesel. Today I'm going to be working on my 2007 Silverado. Unfortunately, had a lifter collapse, or at least it lost hydraulic pressure, and sounds like crap, so I'll give it a start and let you guys hear it real quick. So that's what it sounds like when cylinder number 6 intake, the intake valve, that's the one that's not opening up all the way. The lifter didn't completely demolish or anything, it just lost pressure like I said, and it still opens a little bit, so that's why the truck still kind of runs halfway decent. But anyway, so hopefully this morning, I guess it's probably about 9 o'clock, and I'm going to start taking her apart. I'm going to take the positive wire off the battery and start the disassembly. With these LS motors, you have to take the heads off to replace the lifters, and since I have one that went bad, I'm going to go ahead and do all 16. So I'm going to pull both the heads, the intake, and probably some stuff on the front of the motor, I guess. And this motor here actually is the L33, if you can see. Probably can't see. The aluminum block. It's got the 243 castings. Good running motor. Well, I mean, will be again here shortly. So anyways, I'm trying to get some videos and see if you can't maybe this video help somebody else out, and we'll see how it goes. So here we go.